Did you know that the biggest war in medieval history started because of a simple misunderstanding? In 1095, Emperor Alexios of Constantinople had a problem. Turkish warriors were getting too close to his city, so he wrote a letter to the Pope asking for help. He wanted maybe 500 soldiers, just a small group of fighters to help push back the enemy. But when Pope Urban II read that letter, he completely missed the point. Instead of sending a few hundred mercenaries, he declared a holy war. He told all of Christian Europe to march to Jerusalem and fight for God. Alexios expected 500 professional soldiers. Instead, over 100,000 armed pilgrims showed up at his gates. They ransacked his lands, attacked his cities for food, and completely ignored his orders. The emperor watched in horror as his simple request for backup turned into a massive religious war that would tear apart the Mediterranean world for the next 200 years. Sometimes the biggest disasters in history start with the smallest communication failures.